trying to look at today is the last lecture. So this is going to close all our discussions about writing essays and about writing paragraphs. The first question which I want to give you, let me give you please definition or explanation of the difference between paragraph and essay. What are the differences they have? The paragraph and essay. What are the differences they have? Who will answer this question? Guys, maybe you? Chuck? No? What is the difference between paragraph and essay?
Essay includes paragraph.
Okay. Essays consist of several paragraphs, yes? Wow. How about the ideas? What are the differences about the ideas they have? The paragraph develops only one idea. Yes, only one idea. For example, that the smoking is very harmful. Yes, this develops only in one paragraph. So essays include several paragraphs with the several ideas. So essay is about one topic, but with at least 4 paragraphs. The first paragraph is called introduction, then two paragraphs, and the last one is conclusion. Okay, and now look at this chart, please. There are the similarities of essays and the paragraphs. So paragraphs, we have discussed that the first sentence of the paragraph is a topic sentence, yes? So what is the aim of writing topic sentence? What is its role?
The student understands the question or not.
Okay, so a topic sentence says about the idea of the paragraph, yes? It consists of 2 parts. The topic sentence consists of 2 parts. What are they? What parts are they? Topic and controlling idea is what? Yes, the topic and the controlling idea. So essay, the same in essay, but it's called introductory paragraph. So introductory paragraph statement. So introduction consists of 2 parts. Usually it's 2 or 3 sentences. Yes. The first part is a general statement. Another part is a thesis statement. Yes. What is the difference between general statement and a thesis statement? Well, in general statement, we usually set up the general ideas about the topic, yes? About some kind of the general thoughts, the general statistics like this one. Or in some cases, we can give the ground information about the topic in general statement. But how about the thesis statement? What do we include in the thesis statement?
Support our general.
Yes, to support our general ideas, yes, our opinion and our attitude, and also our aim in writing this essay. So the thesis statement usually attracts the reader's attention. It gives the reader the full information about an essay. What are we going to write? What issues are we going to discuss? Or how many paragraphs does our essay include? These all information are given in the thesis statement. Well, another part are supporting details is like our body paragraph 1 and our conclusion sentence. In concluding paragraph, we have 2 parts. The first one is the statement of our introduction and our final thoughts, our final opinions, our final decisions after discussing the given issue. Well, okay, so, and now let's speak about the thesis statement. How can we organize the thesis statement? So, we above said that the thesis statement is considered to be one of the main parts of our essay. Yes? So, why it's considered to be one of the main parts? The first reason is the thesis statement shows the reader our attitude to the topic. Another reason is it helps us, if we set up the thesis statement properly, correctly, it will be very easy for us to write all the paragraphs. Because in this statement, we decide how many paragraphs we are going to write and what we are going to discuss in these paragraphs. Well, thesis statement, writing the thesis statement has some
it when we are doing brainstorming. If we are planning what to write.
Yes, when we setting up our outline of our essay, we can write
before beginning
just
the essay.
briefly, yes. But when we write the essay, we cannot write the not completed sentences that is existing. Okay, the next one is that this statement cannot be a question because, well, questions usually use it in introduction, but not in this statement. Don't confuse this. We use usually questions in the general statement in the introduction. Yes, it always said that the introduction consists of two parts. The first one is the general statement and the thesis statement. We sometimes can use questions in general statements, but in thesis statement we have to identify and clarify our ideas, our thoughts, and our opinions. That's why we cannot ask ourselves any questions. So that's why thesis statement cannot be a question. And I think it's visible, it's clear that which one is a thesis statement, yes? So 3D cards are convenient to use for two main reasons. So by the way, how many paragraphs do we write in this thesis statement? How many paragraphs? 2 paragraphs, yes? 2 paragraphs. The first one shows the first reason why this card is convenient. Another one is another reason why it's convenient. Okay, so another rule. So thesis statement should be an opinion rather than a fact. So why? Because fact cannot be discussed. We only can discuss, clarify, sometimes we justify only our opinions, not the fact. Look at these sentences. The first one is the water consists of hydrogen and the oxygen. This is a fact. This cannot be a thesis statement. Another sentence, the water in our palms may contain harmful chemicals. If we remove here may, it also will be a fact that the water contains harmful chemicals. It's a fact. We cannot discuss it. In order to discuss, in order to make the thesis statement, we add here the opinion, the may, it may consist chemical, harmful chemicals. And then we will discuss what kind of chemicals it contain, what harmful effects they can cause, etc. Sounds sensible? Well, and another one. So this statement should not be a detail or an example. When or where we usually give details and examples? In this case, in what part we give details and examples?
Main. Body paragraph.
Body. Usually, the second or the fourth sentence of the body paragraph. Yes. Okay. Well, there are 2 sentences. Which one is the thesis statement? Which one is the thesis statement?
There?
Yes, there. How many paragraphs do you have? No. 2 paragraphs you can have. Yes. There are many superstitions. The first superstition is about something, another superstition is that. The second sentence is not called number thing is the what key. What is it?
It's example.
This sentence can be used in the body paragraph first or second, and the third or fourth sentence. Is it clear? Okay. Well, another one. So, this statement may state or list how it is supported. What is it supported? How do I understand supporting our thesis statement by ideas?
In order to support, we should give some examples.
Okay.
And find the explanation, maybe detailed explanation sometimes.
Well, the 2 sentences, what do you think? Which one is the thesis statement? Which one is the thesis statement? Look at the first sentence.
First one, I think.
Has a bad influence on children for 3 reasons. What do you think?
This one is statement, I think.
This one is a thesis statement.
Yeah.
Yes. Well, how it's supported? With what ideas it's supported? Well, actually, both of them are thesis statements. The ghost
This one?
Television. Okay. So general details. What are the general ideas?
Like influence of
Influence on children for 3 reasons. Yes. So we are supporting our idea that the television has a bad influence with 3 reasons. This is support. Well, another sentence. The choice of food we eat during our New Year's festival in India is influenced by tradition and religion. Do you see how it's supported by giving the clear example how we have chosen the meal? Well, the choice of food we eat was influenced by tradition and religion. Yes? So these are the supports of our ideas. Well, another one is this statement should contain a single topic or one main subject. Which one is it? Which one is the busy state?
It's kind of the same.
Yes, but the first one is different. The second one is a busy statement. Why?
İkincide burning of fossil fuel qo'shilgan.
How about the first one? There is also some power.
Shunda bu yerda anaqa bitta narsani discuss qilishimiz kerakmi? Shumi? Ma'nosi masalan single topic. Shunda birinchisi. Shunaqa ikkinchida ikkita tema bo'lib ketyapti. Ham nuclear power and burning of fossil fuel.
Well, okay. So first sentence, yes, this is statement. How many paragraphs do we write here? In the first sentence, how many paragraphs do we write and what do we write? We will write about radioactive waste from nuclear power. Yes. We will clarify what kinds of effects they have on people.
And results,
the first
maybe.
paragraph.
Yeah.
The plants, the second paragraph. The environment, the third paragraph. Yes. How do they influence on these 3 objects? The waste, the waste from nuclear power. Well, we will have 3 paragraphs. The 3 ideas. So how about the second one? How many paragraphs should we write?
Bunlar nuclear power, radioactive.
Well, influence of radioactive waste from nuclear power on people, on planet, on environment, and also influence
Burning
of
fossil
burning
fuels.
fossil fuels on people, on planet, on environment. Others refer.
Just we should double it like
6 paragraphs.
6 paragraphs.
Yes, it cannot be busy statement because the busy statement of the essay should include only one idea, one thought. We will write only about radioactive waste from nuclear power and its effects on planet, people, and environment. The first one is a busy statement. Is that settled?
Yes.
Okay. So, another point is that the sentence statement cannot be too general or too narrow. Yes? The same with the topic sentence, if you remember. We also said this. The topic sentence cannot be too general or too narrow. Yes? The same here in this statement. So, we have 2 sentences. What do you think? Which one is a busy statement? Which one is a busy statement? Which one is a busy statement? Yes, I know them on busy statements, yes. So why? Because the first sentence, look at the first sentence. The Civil War had a tremendous effect on the American culture. It's too general. It's too general. There is not many opinions of the writer. There is no point about what kind of effects, how many effects, yes, what cause of this habit, etc. Another one is the meat. The first one is the hobby is the fun. The hobby is fun. It cannot be thesis statement because it's too narrow. Instead of this, we can say hobby can be an extra source of income. Yes? In the body paragraphs we will develop the first, how the hobby can be the source of income, the second reason why it can be the source of income, etc. Well, what is important? It's also too narrow. And another one is the smoking is unhealthy. It's also too narrow. In order to make the thesis statement from this source, we can say smoking is unhealthy because it can cause several different diseases. This is a thesis statement. Here we can say the first paragraph about the first disease which can cause the smoking and another disease. Yes, these are the thesis statements. Okay, and now the thesis statement itself also consists of two parts. The first part is the topic, another part is a specific point. The same as the topic sentence. How many parts does the topic sentence include? You can remind. How many parts do you have? Topic sentence.
Topic sentence, right?
Yes. How many parts?
Down.
Two. The first one was the topic, another one was
Or explanation.
controlling idea, yes? We said that. What about we're gonna write? And what side of this thing we're gonna write in controlling idea? So here is also two parts. The first one is the topic. Look at the sentence. The burning of fossil fuel is our topic. So our main topic will be about burning fossil fuels. So specific points has several distinctive effects on people, on plants, on our environment. So from the specific point, we identify how many paragraphs do we write. Is that understandable? Okay. And now look at the following sentences, please, and identify here the topic and the specific details, and clarify how many paragraphs we're going to write for each thesis statement. You have 5 minutes for this. Tak, devisligi 5 minut var. Mana shu 3 gapni analiz qilasizlar. Birinchidan buni topiki va qo'shimcha ideyalarini ajratasiz va nechta paragrafdan iborat bo'lishini ajratib chiqasiz. Mana shu uchala qanaqa. This thing. The first sentence. Let's do the first sentence together. The main cause of traffic accident in Uzbekistan are the attitude of their drivers, the poor state of the roads, and the poor condition of the vehicles. What is the topic here? What is the topic? The traffic accident in Uzbekistan is the topic. Okay. What examples we can give here? What examples we can give? For example, not obeying the rules by the drivers, yes. Not respecting each other. Crossing the lines when the traffic light is red, yes. These are the, not obeying the rules per se. Well, what it can cause?